Hi, my name's Jess Meldrum from QMetrix and welcome to today's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays.
In today's episode, I'm going to provide some useful tips and tricks to help you navigate around the Workday Adaptive Planning interface. Let's begin with Sheets. When you right-click on a cell, you can select Explore Cell. Using the Explore Cell feature from Sheets is a great way to analyse the details behind an account to get a better picture of the way in which accounts are performing. When you select Explore Cell, a new pop-up window will appear, and it often renders without a toolbar. This can make navigating the web page quite difficult. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my page across and expand the view, and I'm going to view the audit trail. Now that I've drilled down to the details of the account, it can be difficult to navigate back to the page. What you can do is you can right-click on the screen and you can select Back. Notice that the keyboard shortcuts have also appeared on the screen. We can use those as well. Whilst we're looking at Sheets, it can also be useful to specify start and end periods to help narrow your view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the display options and we're going to set a start of period. From here, I'm going to select current year. Using a relative period instead of a fixed date will mean that you won't have to update the period next year. What you can also do is you can also deselect quarter if you don't want to see the quarter. So now what I'm expecting to see is FY 2021 by month and the full year. There are also a number of shortcuts specific to Workday Adaptive Planning. These are available through the link down the bottom of the screen. The last tip I'm going to show you is how to change your welcome page. If you go to your user profile on the top right of the screen and select View Profile, you can change your home page. See, I have mine defaulted to the welcome screen, but if you have a specific dashboard or report that you always use, you can set this as your home page to make it easier to navigate. That's it for today's episode. As always, if you'd like to know more details or get further assistance, please reach out. Thanks and bye for now.